Do you want to learn English? If you want to learn English simple and natural way, then watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you how you can learn English simple and natural way. Friends, many people think they can learn English if they join expensive coaching classes and many years of study and perfect environment, but it's not truth. If you really want to learn English, then make it part of your daily life. Whatever you see around you, just try to describe in English. If you are from a village, then describe your village. If you are in the field, then describe your field. And wherever you are, whatever you are doing, just try to describe in English. And this is one of the best way to start speaking English. And really simple way, because most of the things you know whatever you're doing around you and wherever around you, right? So it's easy. So start from where you are. Friends, just look around you and everything can become your English teacher. For example, you can say, let me tell you my example. See, I am sitting under the tree and there are some bulls tied here, and the sun is blazing and the heat is very intense today. And you can see, guys, the view of my village is so beautiful, and that field is harvested a few days ago, and the wind is blowing, but this is not cool wind, this is hot wind. So in this way you can explain, you can describe. Friends, this is how you can describe the things whatever you see and wherever you are, and this is really helpful, my friends. And if you are making mistake, then it's okay. Don't try to be perfect in the beginning. Whatever you are getting, whatever coming in your mouth, just try to speak in English. And if you are using your mother tongue in between, then it's okay, you can use. And slowly you will start speaking and later you can correct it, right? But for starting speaking, you can speak. Don't care about your mistake and don't think about the people, what will people think if you make mistake. Because if you think about the people, you will never start speaking. Because I know, like, I have faced this issue that people laugh in the beginning, but if you start speaking, they will clap for you. So don't waste your time. Many learners afraid of making mistake, but friends, mistakes are the normal part of learning. Even a fluent speaker in the beginning make a thousand of mistakes while learning. So don't care about your mistake. Just start speaking. And friends, another important thing is listening. Whatever you are listening, try to listen in English. Listen English podcast, English song, watch English videos, and pay attention to pronunciation. And whatever you are listening, listen carefully, and you will learn many things. You will see how they are constructing sentences, and you will learn new vocabularies, and try to repeat with them, and that is called shadowing, and it will help you to start speaking. And in the beginning I used to listen same video multiple times, more than 10 times, and I have told this many times that I used to listen a lot. And to be honest, I'm not telling a lie, my friends, and that's really helped me. And whatever I was listening, I used to share with my friends. I used to describe the stories or whatever I was listening, I used to tell to co-learners, and that's really helped me. I know I was making mistake, but I didn't care about my mistake. Still I'm making mistake, but I don't care, because mistakes are the part of learning, and it's that proof that I'm learning something, right? And reading is also very useful. If you're a beginner, then start with children's book, simple stories books, article, newspaper. That really helpful. And what whenever you see new word, just note down and search on Google about those word, and try to make sentence, your own sentence. And while reading also, you have to read aloud and read carefully. And there also you can learn how the sentence are framing, and you will learn new vocabulary. So reading is also really helpful to start speaking and to learn English. And friends, remember, consistency is more important than studying for many hours. If you are giving only 10 or 15 minutes every day, and if you are consistent, then no one will stop you to learn English, and you will see the big difference one day. So be consistent whatever you are learning. And if you break, suppose you studied 2 hours, 3 hours every day, and you will leave for a 1 week, then later you will feel that you forget everything. Then try to give only 15 minutes, but every day be consistent, and you will see the difference. So be consistent. And friends, speak English whenever you get chance. Speak to yourself and describe the things around you. Whatever you see, just try to describe in English, and record yourself, record short videos, and later you will check that how you are speaking, and that's really helpful, my friends. The more you speak, the more you get confident. Friends, learning English is a journey. Some days will be easy, some days will be challenging, but if you keep practicing every day, you will improve. So never stop practicing. Friends, don't wait for the perfect time. Start today, start with the things around you, and one day you will look back and realize how far you have come. So keep learning, keep practicing English every day. And I hope you like today's blog. If you like it, then please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Keep learning and keep practicing English every day.